How to log in AliExpress account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your AliExpress app on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see this interface. So here you have to select your region or country by simply tapping on the drop down sign in the right hand side, and from over here you can select your country or region. After selecting, you have to go for continue option. And simply by doing that, you can see my account has been logged in. Oh no. Okay. After doing that, you can see the page of AliExpress has been opened. So in order to log in, you have to tap on the account option in the right lower corner, and from over here you'll be able to see the sign in or register option in the left top. So you have to tap on that. After tapping on that, you can see you can either sign in with your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or there are more options. If you want to sign in with Facebook, Google, or Twitter, then you can select one of them. But if you want to have another option, then you can go for more options. And from over here you have to enter your email address. If you choose for Google, then you have to select your Gmail account from which you want to log in. And after that, you can see my AliExpress account has been logged in. So by following this simple step, you can log in AliExpress account. So